Module 3, Lesson 3, Templates, 3¼ minutes. A template is a content piece marked as a starting point. Content pieces start as drafts. Templates start as reusable. The difference is intent. When you write a one-off campaign body, that's content. When you write a structure your team will use 10 times this quarter, that's a template. Click Templates in the sidebar, the list opens. Each row is a template with its name, channel, last updated, and usage count. The usage column tells you which templates are pulling their weight. A template with 200 uses earned its keep. A template with 0 uses in 6 months should be archived or rewritten. Click New Template at the top right. The editor opens. Same editor as Content. Subject, pre-header, body, merge fields, preview pane. The only difference is the kind picker. Set it to template. Write your template with merge fields where each campaign will customize. The subject might be brand_name. Weekly update for audience_name. The pre-header might say, open for this week's top 3. The body has placeholders for the operator to fill in per send. Templates are designed to be reused. Bake the structure in. Leave the specifics for the operator. When you write new content, the new content form has a start from template picker. Pick the template. The editor pre-populates with the template subject, pre-header, and body. The merge fields are still in place. Edit the specifics. Change the subject to this week's actual topic. Rewrite the body sections that are different from the template. Save the new content piece. The link between this content and the template is preserved. If the underlying template changes, future content starts will use the new version. Already saved content pieces stay frozen at the template version they started from. 3 patterns where templates pay off. First, recurring campaigns, weekly newsletter, monthly customer roundup, quarterly product update, the structure repeats, the body changes, perfect template. Second, cross-team consistency. Multiple operators write campaigns for the same audience. A template ensures everyone follows the same voice and structure. Third, onboarding new team members. A new operator inherits a library of templates and learns the brand voice by filling them in. If a campaign type runs more than twice, template it. That's templates. Next lesson, content versioning. Every save creates a version. Every revert restores a version. You'll learn the patterns operators use to track creative through revisions.